to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. I don't think I've done an unboxing in a little bit, so this is exciting. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Christina. I make new videos every week about fashion, beauty, luxury items, all the fun girly stuff. So don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified when new videos come out, and it just helps you support my channel. So guys, let's get started. Alright, so here is my box. It's a little box because I am just doing a jewelry unboxing. I bought this from The RealReal. I had a coupon code, which they like constantly do coupons on The RealReal. It's my favorite site pretty much for pre-owned luxury items. I like that site as well as Fashion File, and I kind of like both of them for different reasons. So Fashion File I like better for handbags. The RealReal I like better for jewelry and shoes. So they always like do these promotions where, first of all, they always have a coupon code out there. The coupon you can't use for every single item, but a lot of them they let you use. And then they always do promotions throughout the year. Like if you spend a certain amount of money, they'll give you a site credit. So I had a site credit, so I decided I was gonna get the Hermes clic clac bracelet. And I really like these bracelets, but in my opinion, like I'm all about luxury items, but I'm also, I feel like responsible about them, and I personally think that these bracelets are really overpriced if you buy them full price. I mean, if you want to buy them full price, that's totally up to you. It's your money, but for me, I just don't want to spend like 600 plus on a bracelet that's not even like real. It's like enamel. It's not even like a fine jewelry. So to me, I think that's silly. So I always like to buy my Hermes clic clacs pre-owned. I have one other one, which is the white one, so I got the black one. All right, so I already like unboxed it a little bit just so it wouldn't be totally difficult to do this on camera. But so it comes with like a RealReal thank you receipt, and your receipt's in there. And right now they're letting you return things, I think through January, just because of the holidays. So yay, here it is in the orange box, so pretty. The great thing about the RealReal is everything is authenticated, so you know that you're buying something authentic. If there was ever an issue where they accidentally sold you a fake, I feel comfortable enough with that website that I know that they would definitely make the situation right. I've never had a problem. I bought a lot of stuff from them. So if you're looking for some pre-owned items, or like you're in the market to buy something, definitely check out their website. I will leave their link below, and it's definitely one of my favorite stores to shop for sure. Okay, so this comes in the original Hermes box. Oh, here it is, yay. Okay, so it's the black and gold. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So to open it, you have to like click it together, and then the little H pops up like that, and then you just put it on your wrist. So cute. Let me try it on here. Oops. Okay, so this one feels like it's a little bit bigger than my white one. Like it fits, but it's a lot more loose. I know that they have like the PM and the GM size, but this one definitely said it was a PM. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know. I think I'm still going to keep it though, because this black and gold one is so hard to find. It's like, I feel like probably their most popular sold color. So like even getting it pre-owned is kind of hard to do. And I know like the stores were really sold out for a while. So it still fits. It's just a little bit loose. But yeah, I love these bracelets. They're super fashionable. I do think, like I said, that they're overpriced for what you're paying for. It is like, I think, plated gold, but this like all stuff is just like enamel. I don't know, but they're really, really cute. Like they're obviously cute enough that I'll pay still a lot of decent money for them because I'm buying them pre-owned, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think they're overpriced? But I think they're super, super pretty. I really like it, and I'm going to show it to you up close with the white one so you can kind of see, like, they look really pretty when they're stacked together, and I like the look of like putting multiples together. I also like the look of you just do like one bracelet and then you can stack it with different bracelets. Like, I don't know, I'm just a bracelet person. I'm not like a huge like jewelry fanatic, but I really like rings and I like bracelets. I like only wear a handful of earrings, and like I'm not really a big necklace person. I don't know why, but I really do like bracelets, and I love these Hermes bracelets. I think they're so like cute, and they just look, I don't know, they just like give a pop of glam. But anyway, these tags on here obviously I take off, but with the RealReal they do put these tags on here because they authenticate them, so they don't obviously want you sending like a fake product back. So if you were to like cut these tags, you can't return them. Yeah, it says an expert behind every item. This item cannot be returned once tag is removed. So if you ever do buy from them, beware. Do not remove any tags or cut them. They will definitely not return your item, even if it's within the correct time frame, just because they are worried that you're sending back a fake item, even though they could authenticate that, but like that's just more work for them and it's a business, yada yada yada. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of these bracelets. I think they're so fun and so pretty. I definitely think they're worth it if you can get a good price on them, but like Hermes, the actual store, is like never gonna put them on sale, and I feel like they just go up in price every year. So pre-owned is a great way to go to get them for a much more discounted item. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check out some discounted ones, like the ones that I get from The RealReal. I'll just leave a landing page to that so you can check it out, but that's where I get mine from. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.